Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about book essential informations of this battery technology book. First of all, this book was actually authored by Mr. Antonio Patrick and was published on 4th December 2020. This book is actually educating us to look forward on some new upcoming technologies that are invented but doesn't get enough attention from the society. So one of the technologies that the author trying to bring out in this book is battery, which I personally found it very interesting knowledge to be gained. So the author talked about a lot of benefits that the battery can incorporate to human daily life. This book really brings so helpful evidence to the society to make them realize that we are going to the futures and a lot of things will change. Like as examples, nowadays a lot of us are using cars to move from one place to another place. So by using car day by day, the petroleum's energy will become decreased. So battery is the one of the solutions that can really help to what we're going to use in the future, such as hybrid car. So by using this car, we can make the society realize that battery also can help being helpful to us to change the future. So I really impressed on what the author trying to bring out in this book, because it really make us realize on what we are losing actually. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Based on the IT map, I would like to praise about battery technology. First is the characteristic. The battery is more green life because they use mechanical that will not increase global warming, such as air pollution. For example, car filled with the fossil fuels will come out the smoke, while fabric car did not. Moreover, it also has good connection with any technology. On the other hand, the battery is light and size battery may increase energy density. What is more estimated is battery company will have good competitive with their own battery by doing many type of battery with different ability technology to become people's choice. As a result, battery technology will be the best conductivity and imply to the world. Unfortunately, there is something that I dislike about battery technology. First, battery need long time to produce because they have long process if they didn't use machine. That's what I expect. Besides that, it also have a limit because the small space usage, and from that the heat from phone will absorb to battery and occur export. Therefore, battery have conflict with scientists or expert person in this stuff and talk about didn't give enough info because they didn't give enough information about battery to public. It also will be waste if people did not use it back and have problem to destroy it. Since it was a solid item, so it is very difficult to decompose.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will move on to the next part, which is the application towards the present days. On the present days, Solid-state battery can be applied in the smartphone, laptop or automobile because as we have knew before this, our phone or laptop use a liquid-state battery that does not last longer and flammable. But if we change the liquid-state battery to solid-state battery, our battery can last longer and it cannot be exploited easily. So, in conclusion, solid-state battery provide many benefits to the technology industry and can enhance the sophistication of the technology on the present days. Not only that, we also can see that the accuracy of this battery still remain in the present days because battery play a huge role in our lives. From the cars we drive to the phone in our pocket, our modern life are quite literally powered by batteries. Besides that, we also can relate this battery in our life. For example, Toyota, one of the world famous manufacturer of high-value cars, planned to be the first company to sell an electric vehicle equipped with a solid-state battery in the early 2021. This matter has attracted the attention of the public because we have new solid-state battery is a battery technology that uses solid electrodes and solid electrolyte instead of liquid polymer gel electrolytes found in lithium ion. This is one of the reasons why solid-state batteries are expected to become an alternative to lithium-ion. Besides, these batteries can lower the risk of fires, charge ultra-fast, and multiply energy density. In conclusion, solid-state batteries is better in every way compared to any battery, and it will completely change the way we do everything in our life.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will talk about the rating and also the recommendation of the book. The book is very interesting and it gets our group attention to read all the topics on it. So we think the other people will like to read it as much as we did. If it talks about battery technology, I am pretty sure much of the people doesn't know about it, and it's the same for us too. So, while reading this book, we get so many information that we didn't know it existed before. We learned that battery technology is very important and have a bigger benefit in our daily life. And yes, we think it's very interesting to know and it gets to expand our knowledge of battery technology. I am pretty sure that all the people that have done read this book will read it again and again. I guess we can see that this book is like a magnet that will attract us to read it more and more. If I had a chance, I will read the other books by the same author because the author did a great job to explain more specific about battery technology. My favorite part of the book is when they talk about electric cars versus gas cars because we will get to know which cars is better and the advantages and also disadvantages of it. So, the conclusion is battery technology is very important for our future and battery has many uses such as to move the cars and others. So, we must appreciate it and use it as best as we can so that our life will be easier and also comfortable. That's all from me. Bye.